Welcome back, everybody. We are going to finish up our elimination notes today, section 5.3. Please pause the video for a few minutes to take down this table for when to use which type of method for solving systems. All right, real world problems. This is our super favorite. I'm going to start with looking for the question, and the question is the cost of each type of van. Well, we have large delivery vans and small delivery vans. So that sounds like it's going to be our variables. Remember, you can pick any letters you want. For this first one, let's see, I'll just stick with X and Y. So I'll say X is large delivery cost or large van cost. I like that better. So large van cost. And Y is going to be small van cost. All right. So what do we have? We have location A. Location A receives 5 large vans and 2 small vans for $235,000. Location B has 2 large vans and 3 small vans for $160,000. All right, we got to find the cost. Alrighty, well, we have everything lined up, our X's, our Y's, and our constants. And if I were to add these together using elimination, right now, nothing would add together and zero out. So let's decide if we want to get rid of the X's or the Y's. And it doesn't matter. Let's get rid of the Y's. So I'm going to multiply this top part by 3 and the bottom part by -2 because I want this top part to be 6 and the bottom part to be -6. Now, if you wanted to, you could make the top part -3 and the bottom part +2. That won't matter. But when I go ahead and I put that together, remember when you're multiplying, you multiply all parts. So all 3 parts have to get multiplied by that value. All right. So 3 times 5x is 15x. 3 times 2y is 6y. And 3 times 235 is 705,000. -2 times 2x is -4x. -2 times 3y is -6y. And -2 times 160,000 is -320,000. So when I add these together now, 15 plus -4 is, 11x. Six plus -6 adds to 0. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. And then 705,000 plus -320,000 is 385,000. The opposite of multiplying x by 11 is dividing by 11 on both sides. And we get x is equal to 35,000. Awesome. So now we take a look at that and say, well, I can plug that into either of these equations. I'm going to plug it into the bottom one. So I'll do 2 times 35,000 plus 3y is equal to 160,000. That was our original equation there. 2 times 35,000 is 70,000. The opposite of adding 70,000 is to subtract 70,000 from both sides. This adds to 0, so we have 3y is equal to 90,000. The opposite of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3, and that gives us y is equal to 30,000. So our solution is 35,000, 30,000. But remember, we have to go back. This is a real world problem. We want to give our answer in terms of what the question is asking. And it's saying, what is the cost of each type of van? So we would say the large van costs 35,000 and the small van costs 30,000. And that would be the answer to this question. This is where we are going to end for today. Have a fantastic evening. I'll see you next class.